Welcome to a standard view room at Coronado Springs Resort, Gran Destino Tower. This is one of the bathrooms, double sink, beautiful stand-up shower, and a nice barn door. Close off for privacy. I have lots of storage here in the closet. Ironing board, safe, luggage rack. More storage for your luggage. A mini Keurig for coffee, tea, and a lovely workspace area. Tons of space to spread out. And of course you have your 2 queen beds. A little welcome Mickey. Beautiful decor, nice clean lines, very simple. Storage area under the bed for luggage if you need it. This room is also available with another view. You'll have over the water, over the back of the resort. Thanks for checking out Gran Destino Tower.